Hi everyone, I hope you're doing well. I'm back with another video today. Today I'm going to show you how to create a makeup look that I created 1 year ago. It was for my best friend's graduation and it was a very special day, so I've been thinking about that a lot and I just wanted to create this look because I've been kind of reminiscing about it and I miss her a lot and I really wanted to recreate that makeup look. So that's what I'm going to be doing today. I'm going to show you how to create this look using the Urban Decay Born to Run makeup palette. So I hope you enjoy the video. Bye for now. So what I'm going to start by doing is putting Guilt Trip onto my eyelid, and basically what I'm doing is tapping it into the lid. So it's not looking as bright as it did, so what I'm going to do instead is go in with Wild Heart. And I'm gonna do the exact same on the other eye. Okay, so I want this to look a little bit more purple, so what I'm gonna do is go in with Halride. And I'm doing the same, I'm just tapping it in. I'm gonna go in again with Guilt Trip. And doing the same on the other eye as well with Guilt Trip. And basically what I'm doing is just patting it into the eyelid, and this just stops it from creasing and blends it really well and packs the color in. So now that I've packed the color into my lids, I'm going to go in with a crease color called Riff. And I'm just using a fluffy crease brush. So I'm going to start in the crease. Okay, now I'm going to go in with Baja, this nice orange color. Just kind of brushing the color into the crease. I'm going to go in with Riff again on the other eye. And then I'm going to take Baja again, the orange color, and then put that in the crease. And then I'm just going to blend it in until it looks smooth. So now that the main idea of the eyes are done, I'm going to work on the eyeliner part. So I'm just taking this eyeshadow blender and applicator brush from V Cosmetics just to apply the color underneath my eye. And the color I'm going to apply will be Big Sky and Wanderlust. So this one and this one. And what this does is just bring the colors together. I am also going to go in with Radio, which is this nice color here. So I'm going to do the same on the other eye. I'm going to go in with Wanderlust and Big Sky. And then I'm going to go in with Radio again, same as the other eye. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is some highlights on the inner corners and the brow bone. So I'm going to go in with this accent brush. And the color that I want to use for the highlight will be Breakaway. And I'm just placing that on the inner corners and brow bone areas. Okay, so I've just realized a lot of fallout has occurred on my cheeks. So I'm gonna go clean that up real quick and then I'll be back. Okay, so now that I've finished my eyes, I am going to move on to eyeliner, mascara, falsies, and lipsticks, and then that should be it. What I'm doing when I put the mascara on is binding my own lashes to the falsies so they blend in together. Okay, so for the final finishing touch, I am going to go in with the Kat Von D Lovecraft lipstick. This is one of my absolute favorite lipsticks. It's really the best. So that's the final look. So this is how it turned out. I'm actually really pleased with it, and I think it turned out better, much better than I expected. And yeah, I really love it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and look forward to some more exciting content soon. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching. Bye. Until next time.